phase 4 saw us beginning to implement number 5 of our 10 points program. Remember number 5, build an economy which is integrated, independent, and self-sustaining. So therefore, here the phase 4 saw us beginning to implement point number 5 of our 10 points program. This is building an integrated, independent national economy through vertical and horizontal integration, vertical and horizontal linkages. This involved adding value to our raw materials and horizontally linking the different sectors, agriculture with manufacturing by agro-processing. When you process an agricultural product, oba okwataganya obulimi n'obulunzi n'amakolero. When you process an agricultural product, you are linking agriculture with manufacturing. Services with manufacturing, such as using our electric vehicles and pikipikis to supply our transport sector. Now, when you use the Kayora, the electric bus, manufactured, it is now in the transport service. So you are linking manufacturing with our sector of services. Remember, the sector of services has been linked with Japan all this time. Tubadde okukwatagana kati yentambula yaffe n'amakolero gaffe. They were not connected. We were locomoting around using Japanese vehicles. In other words, our services sector, our transport sector, was linked with Japan, not with Uganda. That's what NLM was telling you. So when you process the milk from Rwakitura until I can drink it here in the cup, as we say, from the garden to the cup. From the garden to the cup. That's vertical integration. That's vertical. Naekati, when the milk now goes into Uganda hotels, instead of, what was the milk they were getting from Europe? Noodle, something, I don't remember. Noodles, needle, from Europe. That means your bulambuzi, your tourism, ekwatagana na industry za Bulaya na agriculture ya Bulaya. There is no connection between your industry with your agriculture and with your industry and with your tourism, your tourism sector. This involved adding value to our raw materials and horizontally linking different sectors, agriculture with manufacturing by agro-processing, services with manufacturing, such as using our electric vehicles and pikipikis to supply our transport sector, or using our agriculture to serve our hotels, the hospitality sector. Those are the linkages. Horizontal, from raw material to finished product, and horizontal, sector by sector. This adding value increases the value of products by transforming a kilogram of coffee from giving us US dollars 2.5 as a raw material to a kilogram of roasted, ground, and packed coffee giving us US dollars 25 to 40. If you can show some of that coffee by Tugume, the other man, the other boy of Ntungamo, it would be good for the audience. That is the coffee now. Show us that coffee. Oh, that is already happening in Ntungamo. Ntungamo, pure box, private bag marra. Ntungamo had no post office box number. We would say Ntungamo, private bag marra. But now Ntungamo is getting on the map now. So it does not only give us more money, but it also creates jobs for us. In some of the activities, such as dairy, the vertical integration has gone far. In others, such as coffee, we are still struggling to begin. Phase 5 has been entering the knowledge economy by making automobiles, vaccines, etc. Now, this is a new economy, knowledge economy, which is what Europe and to some extent Asia has been monopolizing, producing machines, producing vaccines, producing medicine, computers. We are now going there. Show us those, the Kayoras, the vaccines, show us if you have them. What's that? Who are those? Oh, Biofarm. Magora. That is now a new economy. It is not just agriculture or processing milk or maize. It is now a product of the brain, of the intellect. The brain, because some of the countries like Japan don't have raw materials. They don't have land, they don't have agriculture, they don't have minerals. But they use their brains to use other people's raw materials and become very rich. Japan, I think, is the third richest country in the world now. Now, in our case, we are lucky. We have agriculture, based on our own crop, our own agriculture. We have manufacturing using our raw materials. We have our services. And we have our educated people who can do all these things, as you can see. So we have got everything. Nothing to compare with Japan or South Korea. Those ones only have now only the brains. You people, you have got the brains and plus.